Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys. So today I'm going to tell you how you can find your Wi-Fi password just in few steps in Windows 10. So probably is little bit different from Windows 7. In Windows 7 you can easily find from here. You just need to go there and you just click here and you will find properties here. But in Windows 10 you have to do one or two steps more. So just go in the starts menu, type control panel, come here network and internet, go to network and sharing center. Here you will find Wi-Fi which is connected right now. Click on it, go in wireless property and then go in security. Just click here and you will find your password. What is your password? You will easily find here. So if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you. Bye bye.